storage. That's why you put everything in the cloud. That's your storage. No, I'm trying to say that the only reason you want it is for our videos, and the only reason I want it is for our videos. I'm trying to justify another use to for getting one. Because you know the kids are going to want to play on it. It's become a gaming system. How much time do we have? 2:30. I got an hour and a half. Yeah, so what's going to suck about having one long big video is that it's going to take forever to download it. But taking a bunch of little ones takes forever anyway. So I was like, let's put it all in one, or two or three, and then I can cut them very easily on the GoPro app. So I can cut them in 1.5-minute segments. But I would like